Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to disassembly and change the digitizer in your LG L90. This is the model D405, and for now we need to have the new digitizer, and let's get started. Unscrew all the screw from the back. Okay, now open the back cover from here with the plastic tool. One screw left here. Okay, we are in, and for now we don't need take off the motherboard, but if you want you can disassemble this camera or motherboard if you have to do this. Anyway, you can change the USB port. It's very easy to do. You have to take off this flex and take off this flex with the USB port and change it. But for now we need to take off this front glass. For this operation we're gonna help with the hair dryer to heat the front glass. Okay, when the phone is heat, try to put the plastic tool right here. God damn it, my fascia gonna broke up, but never mind. I'm gonna glue it after the repair. It will be easy. And as you see, the digitizer when it's hot, it's very easy to change it. The glue is not strong as it should be, so the operation is very easy. And now if you have to take off the old tape, glue tape. The hardest part of our job is now done. Now we should clean your phone with the old glue. It's not so hard to do. Okay, I think it's enough. And for now, we have to use the glue on the phone to install the digitizer. O, nawet dobrze, nie? Okay, it's already done. The last step gonna be here. Perfect. Now we are ready to install, but before do this, gently put it motherboard. Perfectly put the flex of the digitizer from here. Now clean the old dust from the LCD. Let's clean it. Remove the protect from the glue. We have some dust here, which we're gonna clean. The last step here. Protect tape. Put the flags in this hole and glue our digitizer to the phone. Okay, and for now, put the flex in here. And screw all the screw from the back. Here. And the finest part of our job is to remove the protect screen of LCD. Where is it? It's here. I love to do this. Yeah, exactly. Here we have a protect the logo trademark. Yep, it's LG. And that's all. As you see, we have changed the digitizer from our LG. And for now, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!